has a small leaf, right? There are 3 types of teas growing in the world. One is Assamica, Chinese, Sinensis, and Cambodia. Those are the 3 types of teas. Yes, bigger. From this we make 26 types of varieties. That is why the Ceylon tea is the best, world best. 26 types of tea varieties, right? But in mainly the green tea, mainly the orthodox black tea, and also the green tea. Right? Oh.
26种。
I prepare.
咱们看起来它比较精细了，我们闻的太粗了，闻起来就。
After we make that the cup of tea, we can add some 2 lemon drops. Then it's color changing, getting color changing like a pink, right? It's very, you can show it.
Oh.
But in here, the pigment containing in here chlorophyll. That is why it is getting greenish color. But in here, it's anthocyanin. That is the 2 different type of things we are going in here. And also this one is really fully organic. We are not using any chemical.
Flower, yeah, the tea flower.
Tea flower.
现在挺香的哦，有味道。
真香。
有味道哦。
花花这么香。
Yeah, and also we use these flowers.
Flower tea.
Flower tea. But it's seasonally, not in these days.
In spring, probably.
Yes.